सपना यही हुआ करता था 16 साल की उम्र में कि मैं जल्दी से ठीक हो जाऊं। इसलिए सपने नहीं देखते, उम्मीद ज़्यादा है और उम्मीद आज भी यही है कि बहुत जल्दी बहुत अच्छे दिन आएंगे, बहुत जल्दी जीने वाले दिन आएंगे। मैं 1 साल का था, मेरी जो एक्टिविटीज़ थी वो थोड़ी वीक होने लगी थी। 8-9 साल की उम्र में जाके पता चलेगी SMA टाइप 2 है। इन फ्यूचर क्या रिज़ल्ट है ये तो तभी पता चला जब हमने इसको फ्यूचर में ही एक्सपीरियंस करते गए।
Rare diseases, as the word suggests, are rare but great in number. There is not enough scientific data and awareness available on the causes and cure of these diseases. The prevalence of these diseases is among a small patient pool, making it harder to gather relevant scientific data or research for the same.
Diagnosis was quite difficult and it took a few years. Because of the rarity of the condition, my doctors had never seen a case like me before. I was subjected to various painful tests. I was finally diagnosed at the age of 5 years.
India is a country of approximately 1.33 billion diverse population with diverse problems. Thousands of people get sick every day and most of them get the right treatment. However, everyone is not lucky enough to make it through. There are some diseases for which there is a lot of desperation to seek and follow treatment. But the irony is, there is lack of treatment, lack of screening protocols for timely diagnosis, lack of access, and more importantly, very high cost. These are rare diseases.
जब मैं छोटा था, करीब 4 साल का, शुरू में पेट बड़ा हुआ तो आसपास के लोकल डॉक्टर्स को दिखाया तो उन्होंने कहा वो कुछ बताते रहे। फिर हम अपने स्टेट में दून हॉस्पिटल वहाँ गए तो वहाँ भी उनकी डॉक्टर की समझ में कुछ नहीं आया। तो फिर हम धीरे धीरे ऐसे बताते बताते दिल्ली पहुँचे तो वहाँ से बिल्कुल परफेक्ट डायग्नोज हो पाई ये बीमारी।
A rare disease is any disease that affects a small percentage of the population. WHO says rare diseases are lifelong disease or disorder which can cause declining effects on the life's quality. As the matter of fact, India, like many other developing countries, still has no standard definition and data on prevalence of rare diseases. But in most cases, the patient's life can be saved if the disease is diagnosed and treated at an early stage.
ये डिसीज़ इस तरीके से है कि अगर हम इसमें अवेयर रहें, हर एक फैमिली अवेयर रहे, तो आप इन चीज़ों से रोक सकते हैं।
I was fortunate to get this treatment free of cost through the company's charitable access program, making me the first known case of Gaucher disease in India to get treatment back in 1999. So since then, a couple of global pharma companies are providing this treatment free of cost to a few hundred patients in India on humanitarian grounds. But as these companies are constrained by the number of patients they can support, many patients in India are left untreated.
Rare diseases include genetic diseases, rare cancers, infectious tropical diseases, and degenerative diseases. 80% of rare diseases are genetic in origin and hence disproportionately impact children.
I was diagnosed when I was 1 year old, as told by my parents. So they believed that maybe it was something, normal thing which has happened. So they took me. It was a really long process because it happened like 23 years ago I was diagnosed. The medical science was like not good, and especially when you're talking about the science in India.
Reported case of rare diseases in India include Gaucher disease, Hurler syndrome, Hunter syndrome, Pompe disease, Fabry disease, spinal muscular atrophy, MPS 4A, MPS 6, sickle cell anemia, and many more. As the number of persons suffering from rare diseases is small, currently very few pharmaceutical companies are manufacturing drugs for rare diseases globally. There are no domestic manufacturers in India. The impact on families is often catastrophic, both emotionally and financially, as the cost of treatment is remarkably high. However, India is working hard on addressing the issue of rare diseases. Thousands of medical experts, researchers and government officials are trying to develop mechanism as well as medicines to cure persons suffering from these diseases.
Rare disease patients may be few in number, but their life is as important as anyone else. Although the figure of approximately 7,000 rare diseases may look intimidating, but the actual number of rare diseases that are treatable is very few.
The Government of India released a draft policy in the public domain to strengthen it further. The government is working on strengthening the policy further, and this gives hope to the nation. Hence, the Blueprint for Rare Diseases initiative aspires to bring together rare diseases community to prioritize rare diseases policy and program.
इलाज तो अभी मुझे प्रोवाइड नहीं हुआ पाए, वो इलाज जो है ना है वर्ल्ड के अंदर, लेकिन भारत में कुछ बच्चों को मिल भी रहा है, लेकिन वो बहुत कॉस्टली है। वो कुछ पॉलिसीज़ के थ्रू उन्हें बच्चों को मिल रहा है, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि मुझे भी मिल जाए कोई पॉलिसी ऐसी।
If patients like Aditya can be blessed with a new life, we sincerely hope it will be possible to save Vishal, Tanvi, Sameer and many other children and individuals living with rare diseases. Their dreams to play, to study and to have a better quality of life. Sameer has still not lost hope.
Timely diagnosis and treatment play a crucial role in transforming the lives of patients. So most patients suffering from treatable rare diseases can live a completely normal and productive life if they are diagnosed and treated on time.
These were few rare people out of many who are hoping for adding more light to their years and a brighter future. Can we together be a part of the solution they are looking at?